XRP is absolutely exploding again. We absolutely blew over the $2 mark and reached $2.50 at the high. But will we now continue this amazing bullish explosion, or do we see a bigger pullback to the downside again? In this video I will analyze XRP, I will talk about the liquidation heat map, and we will analyze the open interest and the funding rate. Before we go into the video, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share there daily updates about Bitcoin, XRP and all other cryptocurrency. First link in the description. So as you can see, XRP finally broke over the $2 mark and we reached $2.50, and today XRP surpasses the market cap from USDT, which is a very big milestone for XRP. In my last video 2 days ago, I said that the chances high that we will surpass the $2 mark and that we then go to $2.47. And as you can see, after we broke this high, we saw this explosion and perfectly reacted at the $2.47. Congratulations to everybody who can profit from this trade. And if you don't want to miss any updates, analysis or trades for XRP, then subscribe to this channel. For XRP, it was very important to surpass the $2 mark because this was the top of the 2021 bull run. And mostly if we are seeing a chart like this, that we have an all-time high and in the next cycle a lower all-time high, then the chance that we are reaching this last all-time high is very low. But now XRP blasted from 50 cents to $2.50. And right now we surpass a market cap about $131 billion, which is a really big milestone for XRP. And as I said, the next very interesting target is the $2.47. We perfectly saw a reaction. And I personally think that XRP is an amazing project with a very high potential for the future. And I think that we'll see even higher prices for this bull run. But for the short term, the chance for a pullback is getting bigger. Because if we have a look at the liquidation heat map, we can see that we have a very big liquidation cluster at $1.87. And this indicates that we are seeing a pullback again into these regions. And if we have a look at the open interest, it's very high, and the chance that we will see a flush at the correction is now very high. Simultaneously, we also see that very new spot positions came into the market, which is a really good sign for the long term. So I personally think that we have much spot volume in this upwards move, which is very important for a sustainable run. But also now the funding rate is increasing, so the chance for a pullback is getting bigger. So for the short term, the chance is very high that we are reaching again this last high right here at nearly $1.96. And I would use pullbacks for new spot or long positions in the market. So if we're coming back into the zone, seeing some bullish interest right here, then I would go into a new long position right here. Or if we are breaking this last zone to the downside, then I would have a look at this area right here, because here we are between the 50 and 61.8 Fibonacci. And of course we have this latest supply zone right here, and the chances high if we are coming back into the zone and seeing some bullish interest that we can retest this last highs and then continue to the upside again. So for me personally, I would look at the area between $2 and 185 cents. Or if we're seeing a breakthrough, I would look at this area for new long positions for XRP. And from the zones, my next potential price target is of course the $2.50. And here the chance is also high that we're seeing some bearish reaction. But if we're breaking again to the $2.50 again, maybe retest it, then the $3 is my next potential price target. And if we can also break this one to the upside, then of course we have the all-time high at $3.31. And my personal main bull run target for XRP are the $5.29. I personally would take major profits right here because I invested in the bear market right here in this area. And I'm a friend of making strategically good buys and sells, because if we are reaching a top like in 2017 or 2021, we then see a very big correction to the downside. So I personally would be very happy to sell most of my XRP for this bull run in this area, because if we are getting then a correction, I want to sell my coins before this big correction. Of course, if we're breaking to even higher prices, I would hold some XRP, but most of my bag I would sell here and would be very happy for this bull run. And if you want to trade XRP or other cryptocurrencies, you can do this on Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees, and with my link you get 20% trading fee rebate on top. So guys, all in all, this was an amazing milestone for XRP that we blasted through the $2 mark. And as you can see, we perfectly reacted at the $2.47. And I think the chances high that we are seeing a pullback, and I would have a look at another long position in this area right here if we're seeing bullish interest. And if we are seeing an even larger pullback, then I would wait if we come back into this zone and then trade to the upside again. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.